The 12 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour. I believe it's a fresh 12 hour. Okay, we still got 7 hours, 37 minutes left in the 12 hour. We have nice little VWAP curvature coming up. So that's good. That clipped up here. That's good. Got a little green dot on the top of this momentum. That's good. The 4 hour, 3.5 hours left. Gates are open. Money flow. Money flow obviously at a local high. RS high. The RS high. Well, this is nice. This is nice. It's really about the trade groups. This group, I put in 20 G's. It's at 30. So that means they're up 50% right now. They're up 50%. That's good. And while we do have a long way to go to come back for the full ports, I've 10x'd plenty of times before. Y'all have seen me turn 100,000 into $1 million over a 60-day span twice. The spider lines on Ethereum, Bitcoin, a proven concept. This did hold. We posted this on Twitter. It held. We have inward curvature on the VWAP oscillation. Gates are open on this time frame too. What time is it? 30 minute, 4 minutes left in the 30 minute. It's volatile, but no, we're good. We should be good. It's been a long time. So damn, look at that trigger wave on the daily. Look at that trigger wave on the daily. Damn, that played out. The Ethereum monthly. Look at the monthly. Look at that. Look at this RSI. The RSIs. Before this candle, right? We just had this little inkling right here. Was looking good. We still had the trigger wave. Pretty much a minor fractal contrary. We had the 1-2 dip, 1-2 dip, and then the reset. But these RSIs, man, and we are going. You know what I'm saying? We are in the middle of these RSIs, which is good. You know what I'm saying? We're in the ride. We're in the wave. Riding the wave. We're in the wave. 2 week gates are open on the 2 week. 5 days left on the 2 week weekly. 5 days left on the weekly. And gates are open. Inward curvature on the VWAP. Inward curvature continues to inward curve. What was the 2 day? 2 day looking like, okay, the 2 day. RSI super high on the 2 day. Daily, super high. 12 hour, super high. Get a little blip of green. But they don't have to, but it's nice to see like a little blip of green in between when we're high up here. Just you know, when the RSIs are this high up and they flip green, whoo, it's nice. But this is nice. And I imagine, what's this spider line? 45, 70 something. And man, this right here on Bitcoin, this boom, that bounce right there is nice. That bounce right there was nice. That bounce right there was nice. Went from an ugly serrated pattern, then doop, doop. Little money flow, R size, flip green, a little momentum, coming to a little momentum, chop off. So we want to see weak bear action. With weak bear action, it's followed by super strong bull action. Right? When the price is supposed to come down, right? Like right now with Bitcoin, we have momentum clipping over here. RSI is a little bit gapped. VWAP coming down a little bit. If this just comes down a little bit, by the time that things start to curve again, you know, on the 10 minute, on the 15, if this comes down, it starts to curve like right here, and the price only comes down a little bit, it's about to pop off. Chainlink at an all-time high. Wow, all those plumbers and people I told to get Chainlink, they're finally at an all-time high. No way. It ain't at no all-time high. Who said Chainlink's at an all-time high? It's not at an all-time high. It's doing good, but what the heck? Chainlink ain't at no all-time high. What's Ripple doing? Damn. Oh, wait, okay, that was the weekly. Hold up. All right, that's a nice little 6 hour 3 and 4%. How's Sui doing? I haven't looked up any of these coins for so long, for damn near a week. 5% Sui 383. Shit, we gotta do some charting here. Boy, look at that Sui RSI right there. Look at that, straight up, huh? Just damn, inside of each other, straight up. Volatile. And see how fast things happen? Shit's just happening so damn fast. Look at that. Look how fast everything's happening. Golly. Solano, how's Solano doing? So speaking of Solano and Shitter Cardano. Okay, they're all going up. That's all. That looks like a little. Look at both going up 6%. All right, 10 minute looks good here. Okay, we have a little hope here. Thank God it's coming back. Thank God. You know, this is a beautiful little square structure. Look at that right there. Beautiful little basic strategy bullshit coming out right there. That's very nice. I was a little worried about a Chinese Chong too. I was a little worried it was gonna Chinese Chong. Doesn't really look like one though. A Chinese Chong has to be like that, not spaced out. What else? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on back. We're back, baby. We're back. Come on. Isn't that great? Isn't that great how that works? Oh my God. Oh, yes. That's very nice. Yes, they tried to shake us out, these pricks. They tried to shake us out. Beautiful. What's Bitcoin at? 119. Now let's take a look. See here. Just cruising its trifecta. It's just cruising in the trifecta. I mean, the middle trifecta spider line. 120,000. You know what I'm saying? Little trigger wave right here. You got some, little trigger wave. I gotta change this. Hold on. All right. The gates are open. 6 hours, 45 minutes left. And shit, I mean, we might even have the Sandworm on our side. The Chinese Sandworm might be on our side when the markets close. That would be nice. It would be very nice if we can ride the Sandworm. Not an easy thing to do. It don't happen every day. Don't happen often. But when it does happen, let the Sandworm carry you. Hopefully It will carry us tonight. Spider line is at 45.74 and the force field is at 45.60. Whoa, what time frame was that? 30-minute, beautiful green dot right there on the 30-minute momentum. Money flow coming up. We're looking for this VWAP oscillation to plow its way up. I mean, deep inward curvature. Right there. Yes, it did outwardly curve right here, but overall, size matters. That's a deep inward curve. And what do inward curves do? They continue to inwardly curve. Good R size on the 20-minute here. A nice little VWAP oscillation coming up. We're yeah. All right. 8 hour. Let's look at this 8 hour here. An interesting time frame. One thing we can say here is we do have some nice inward curvature on that money flow. We are looking for that money flow to continue to inwardly curve. Momentum gates opening. Hopefully they open for a good amount of time. I think we're in good shape. As volatile this is, God, it's so hard. Man, you go from sitting real pretty to looking little ugly quick. Goes from the good, bad, ugly, wretched in a matter of seconds. All right, now look at that. Okay, all right. Here's what we like to see. RSI is turning green. We'd like them to be a little higher. If we can get these, or if these start creeping up, that's a very good sign. Even though money flow and shit's coming down, if these RSIs flip green and start coming up, that is a leading indication. Most likely. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Just taking a breather. It can't just chug on. It can't just go. It's got to take breathers. Oh, boy. All right, let's take a look-see here. The swing hard copy group, they're up. Good, baby. They're up. Good. The link to join the team is in the video I uploaded today. Must be registered on my BitUnix link to join. Loss is probably guaranteed. Don't play with the can't afford to lose. Damn. Fuck, did we add everything we wanted to? Let's see here. Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, you just can't beat the large time frames. You can tunnel vision all you want to, but you just can't argue with the large time frames. The 12-hour. I mean, look at this. My God. The VWAP oscillation coming up. Money flow coming up. Momentum clipping up. RSIs clipping up. Next stop, the 4600. Let's slam the top and do our part.